Hello kids! Today let's prepare a delicious breakfast. The very first thing we'll do is prepare the coffee. Perfect! Coffee is ready. I have 2 slices of bread, but we won't prepare the toast right away. We'll keep them like that until we're done with the rest of the breakfast. I have 2 eggs that I will break in the pan. Because it's a small pan, I will cook them one by one. The first egg is ready, sunny side up. Now let's make the second one. And we'll also cook it sunny side up. I have my 2 eggs here, and then I can toast my slices of bread. The bread is toasted. We'll also add some strawberry jam because I like to have that on my toast. The first toast is ready. Let's make another one with the same jam, strawberry jam. My toasts are ready. I'll put them on the plate. I also have a bowl of cereal and some milk. Let's add a little bit more milk. Perfect. And I also have 2 croissants and a glass of orange juice. And now it's time to make our smoothie. I'll be using strawberry, tomatoes, grapes, and a banana. Our smoothie is ready. Let's take a look. Perfect. And now it's time to set the table. We have our eggs, our croissant, orange juice, toasts, cereal, the smoothie, and let's not forget our cup of coffee. It's a little hot. Let's add some milk. Our coffee with milk is ready. We prepared a very nice breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.